to buy some pinchiling. Pinchiling.
Patay ko. Wala kasing bariya eh.
Pinchiling. So good and tasty.
Yeah, eating ice cream. Oh yeah!
Hi guys. Pinchiling. Bye bye. Bye bye.